slow. I was feeding them the other day. I had that little suckers. And I mean, it's funny when they touch your fingers. Elsie, what did she have in her? She took a jar over, and it wasn't that though. It wasn't that corn. Well, actually, it was corn, but it was cracked corn. Jimmy cracked corn, and I don't care. The master's gone away. Yeah, it was cracked corn.
Oh, you're okay, guys.
I don't know how a whole kernel corn would digest with it.
Here.
They're not growing very fast, though. I noticed.
Oh, they're little babies. Yeah. Right.
Yeah, but no, but they're about 3 weeks old, or at least, or a month old.
Yeah, give or take a bit.
Yeah, and that's what I mean. They're not growing as fast as the other ones. I've noticed that.
Why?
Go.
They gotta get the grass. They need the juices too from the grass, because that's about it. Or they need the grass. You won't have to cut the grass if you had them over here all the time, but you'd be raking up them turds all the time. I'll tell you that.
I should have brought my camera with me. You never know. Oh, that's good. That's cool.
Well, why are you hissing?
Look, you can feed them by hand. Actually, I could literally touch them the other day, the babies, in front of them too.
What?
Sitting at a picnic table, eh? And they come up to you.
Huh?
They'll come right up to you at the picnic table.
Oh, nothing wrong with that.
I'm not a bad guy, right? No.
See? What I like to do is I hook deck. I do that once in a while back to them. And they just like, yep,
Wow.
yep, oh, yep, yep.
Oh, you're ravenous.
Isn't that awesome?
What do you think, John?
Let Randy
Am I
feed
okay?
himself.
No, I'll go in the other angle.
Yeah, show Connie. Try to feed the babies, actually.
Oh, Mama's right between me and the baby.
Honestly, she'll let you, because I did it. They just want to see. They want to see the babies fed. Honestly, like, you're not gonna get rid of them all winter though. They're gonna be around there.
You know, you guys eat the most expensive popcorn you can buy, right?
Orville Redenbacher.
Hey, Papa.
Next time he says, "Can you put some butter on it?"
They have the extra buttery. I was like, no, I don't think that would be very nice.
That's good shit once in a while, ain't that? I always forget to get out of sleep with that once in a while. Cause I don't like a lot of popcorn. I hate this shit in my teeth. I hate, that part of it more. Gets in between my friggin' teeth sometimes.
You see this one that's hissing at me? Watch. Watch this. It's like she's mad, but she eats it right out of my hand.
No, she's not mad.
No, she's just hungry. What about Papa over there?
But I'm saying you can feed the babies if you really reach out that further.
Can I feed your babies? I know you're pretty protective.
Look at what you got coming over here now, though.
Oh, I know. This is what it was like the other night.
No, you don't want to do that too much, Greg. You're going to piss off your neighbors. The shit. I don't want them in my backyard.
No.
They don't go there because of the fence.
Can I pet you? That'd be overreaching, wouldn't it? Yeah. I know. I've been told that on dates too. That's okay. I get it.
John, you know what my middle name is? Dr. Fuck Up.
There's kids in this house. I know you're celebrating. Yeah,
we go.
Baby bonus. Your last baby. What was the name?
Eh?
What'd you call that? Your last one? Or what's getting you up?
My last
There's more coming.
Yeah. Oh.
You sold Nelly.
Yeah, Nelly Bell.
Yeah, but she wouldn't expect you to sell her like that. She just feels really bad about it.
Yeah. Well, Wednesday's still gonna come around. You know what I'm gonna do?
Well, I make love to her tonight.
Eh?
Make love to her tonight.
Well, she got a fucking big pussy.
Oh, I'll
I've had her for 3 years and I never got.
I'll get real
I never
tight.
even got a hug out of
I'll
her.
get real tight.
What do you, Papa?
Hello.
How's it going?
Good.
Want to feed him?
I do every other day.
You know what? Mom was just eating
Look at all the
Orville Redenbacher right out of my hand.
Yeah, they do. They eat right out of our hand all the time.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Well, so they're already housebroken.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Sorry.
you guys want to move in upstairs?
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. You're good. Sorry, I should have come around.
No, I shouldn't be in your way. I just these birds.
Here. There's the
These
other group.
waterfowl. Why would they call them fowl?
That's fine.
Why would they name something like that fowl?
The other ones wait their turn. Because Papa Goose, he'll run them off. The whole bunch of them.
I'm gonna bring up my plastic welder and we'll weld this chair up.
That guy out there, tough guy. That's right, you. Come here, tough guy. Oh, see him? Did you hear that?
That's the father saying, "Get the hell out of here! Look at my babies."
Did the geese have communication? First they started off with just a couple. They must talk to one
Oh
another.
no, they knew that these ones are getting fed over here, and
Well,
now they're.
they don't know that.
Papa's not gonna let them other ones near it, because that's another family over there.
Yeah, you know that, eh?
Yep. Those ones that are wiggling their tail like that, they're babies.
Nothing wrong with that. Go for it. They're feed the little critters.
Got a chest all. They just hit me. You just stay away from the other side of that sidewalk.
You got the camera going right on.
Well, I'm gonna vacate. I was supposed to help my wife hook up the vacuum hose to the pool.
Get the camera going. I got quite a few pictures so far.
But if not,
Right on.
I end up
Well, on this,
vacuuming.
I should have brought my, like, I do have another camera, like a still camera, you know?
Oh yeah.
If I didn't, if I'd have known I was coming down there, would have brought it with me. That would have been fantastic. But
You should turn that number in.
Well-
442.
that's my high speed. Any more than that, I get caught for speeding.
Hey, thanks, Greg, for your hospitality.
Hey, no problem, man.
We'll see you in my buddy.
If you're stopping at my house, there'll be nobody home. Or the maid might be there, but I doubt it.
Well, if I see somebody there, I'll let you know.
Well, you never know. See you later, Don.
Take it easy, man.
Today went fast because I was up so early yesterday all day.
Looks like one little fella just decided to take a rest.
How about you, Pop? Hey? Papa won't come too close to me. He's got to be standoffish, you know. He keeps his eye on the other geese. And there's a bunch of other geese over there. And squirrels, those little bastards.
You know, guys are doing good. Three of them got. Looks like three of them got too lazy and they're going to eat while they're sitting down.
Yeah, it looks like three of them are pretty full. Oh yeah. Corn lands right in front of them. They don't even move.
Yep.
Like, nope, I'm done. I had enough. Thanks. Appreciate it. Hey, Papa.
No, nobody spoke them. They just had to.
Pop. Pop. Come here.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Oh, that's not Papa. There's Papa. Come here.
somebody getting jealous.
Papa. Hey, over here. Over here, buddy. Look, here.
Holy.
See, it's another male comes around trying to be tough, but this guy's a tough guy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Nobody messes with that guy right there. Other guys will come around, they'll put their head down and go, but oh, he clears the pack. Come here, Papa. Come on. Oh, look at him. He's just waiting for one of them to move in. They're moving in because of me. Put your head down, come after me.
That sure guy got a little on the lazy side.
Uh-oh. Now the driver's ed cars come around. Here.
Is that lens?
They're going to have to
That
try to
lens
drive
get-
around the geese.
get
That's going to
everything on
mess them
video?
up in a major way. What's that?
That lens get everything on the video?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
But it goes direct to your phone, or how does that work?
Well, it's just being recorded on the phone now,
Oh,
and then it'll get
well, that'd be all right.
it'll get
Oh.
saved up to Google Photos.
It's nice to catch all that, so.
Yeah,
Hey.
it gets saved into the cloud.
The boys are leaving. I'll go down that way.
Yeah.
I gotta.
Oh, don't even think about it. You here.
There we are.
There we go.
Right on.
The babies are full. They're careful. Holy crap. You bite the bottom of it.
Looks like Papa's taking the rest of the family home.
Yeah, Mama and Papa, they're
You're the
favorites.
bird whisperer.
Yeah.
Jeez. I hope you keep lots of bread.
Orville Redenbacher.
Yeah.
Hey, there you. Come on. Come on. Oh, how do I tilt this thing down? Oh, right there. Is that the one? All right. Here, come on, guys. Okay. I'm gonna get bit.
Oh.
The guys out the back gotta get some too. You go right after the whole container? What the hell? You had my whole finger in your mouth. Yeah. That's not acceptable. Well, sometimes. Depends on the circumstance. There you go. Yeah. There you go. You back there. Oh, you've got a band on. Oh, that's why you're way back there. Somebody's held you down and put a thing around your foot. You don't trust me, do you? I don't blame you. Here. Here you go. So that's the goose with the band. Oh, what, is he the boss? He goes quack, and everybody just pays attention? There you go. Man. Way better teeth than me. You, come here. You got some grass in your mouth. So do you. Here. Hey, you, prisoner number 123. Here. Alright, guys. I'm going to throw some more loose stuff out there. I think feeding time's over.